So, just in case you needed a reminder, no touching the alligator. Just hanging out with my girlfriend at the Edward Ball Nature Trail at the University of West Florida. So far, I haven't seen any alligators. Hey, little buddy. Look how big you are. Oh my God, you're huge. You're so cute. You are a big turtle. Just a turtle family here. Two different species, obviously, but so cute. And so there's our big turtle, so which I have Googled and just found out is a soft-shell turtle. And then we've got some fish over here that are